My name is Alex Sanchez. I'm a mortgage loan officer with Planted Local Lending. A little background story behind me. Before I got licensed to become a loan officer, I was actually a mortgage underwriter for a little over 3 years prior to joining Trish's team at Planted Local Lending. My background, I actually went to school at Michigan State. I thought I was going to be a teacher, but somehow my path led me into the mortgage world. Fell in love with it. I loved underwriting. But I actually met Trish because I was her underwriting team leader at the lender that she partnered with. When I was thinking about getting licensed myself, reached out to Trish, and it was a perfect fit for us to start working together. I got my license in November of 2022, and I joined Trish's team in January of 2023. The first month, it was a little shaky because there's really no structure to being a loan officer. You have to go find your own business and find your own clients. So that first month, it was a lot about trying to make connections, trying to find some real estate partners, trying to find ways to add value to other people and show them what we can do at Planted Local Lending to help them get into affordable homes. I'd probably say the toughest part about being a loan officer is that you really don't have that structured day where at 8 o'clock you're doing this, 9 o'clock you're doing that. Instead, you have to find your own structure. But the best thing about Planted Local Lending is we're there to support each other, right? Our CEO, Trish, she is amazing. She's always checking in with us. What's a different way that we can try to find new clients today? Reach out to more people, talk to more people. So we really do have a great support system around us to make sure that we are successful loan officers, which is amazing to have. The biggest difference between being 6 months in as a loan officer compared to that very first month is confidence. The more people you meet, the more you realize that you can add value to their business. The more confident you feel, the more business you're going to do and you're going to get. Those connections that I was able to develop the first month or two of being a loan officer really helps pay off 6 months or in the short term, the long term. I would say the biggest reason why I'm finding success 6 months into becoming a loan officer is because of those connections that I made the first and second month of being a loan officer. This job is all about relationships. It's showing ways to add value, showing why I care about you, why it makes sense to work with us at Planted Local Lending. And those relationships really help spark that business in the future. I joined Trish in January of 2023. In the month of June 2023 alone, I was able to close 6 loans because of the relationships and the connections that I made. Which 6 loans in 1 month, that's a pretty good paycheck, if you ask me. I don't like bragging about this stuff. One of the reasons why I decided to make the jump from underwriting to becoming a loan officer is that uncapped income potential that you have. As a salary, you're stuck. That's your ceiling. That's what you're making every week. But as a loan officer, really, the ceiling is yours to make. The more time and effort that you put in to better yourself, it's gonna pay off to have those big successful months to make a lot of money. So if you're thinking about making the jump to become a loan officer, but you're worried about the commission, is it certain, is it not? Well, I'll tell you what, if you invest in yourself, you have a team behind you that has your back, where we will be sure that you will be successful in the near future. What I love most about Planted Local Lending is that we're exactly that. We're planting our roots to grow. We want to grow you, we want to grow each other, and we want to make sure that every home buyer out there, everyone looking for a mortgage, they're taken care of and they're set up for success. It's a great company to work for. Our CEO, Trish, is amazing. She has your back. We have your back. Come and join us. Having an in-house underwriter is super, super beneficial because not only are we going to help our clients get to the closing table, but we're going to help you as a loan officer grow yourself and grow your knowledge, your underwriting knowledge, being able to set your borrowers up for success and set those proper expectations. Our team is amazing. This company is amazing. I promise you, mortgages are fun. Rates will come down eventually. We don't know if that's tomorrow, next month, a year from now, but they will come down. Now is the time to invest in yourself. Get licensed, get settled in, learn the systems, because when rates come down, we are going to be busy and you are going to make a lot of money and also make a lot of dreams come true for individual home buyers. Being a loan officer is one of the best decisions that I've ever made. The flexibility, the camaraderie that we have at Planted Local Lending, and I wouldn't give it up for anything. Come join our team.